Can I have some coffee sundae with toppings? Or bisco? Or taba ng talangka? Or peanut butter?
Pumpkin soup
Or pumpkin soup?
with bits and pieces.
Is your Jiffy with nuts? The crunchy? Huh?
Crispies with crispies.
Crispies. Uh-oh. You happy? Happy tummy? Happy baby?